Business Central Trivia Live, but we have a special version of Business Central Trivia Live. This is the Developer Edition. And with us today, we have the opportunity to speak with three of my many favorite Business Central developers, Waldo, AJ, and Tine. Are you ready?
Nope.
I think you all are ready to join this. So with this Business Central Trivia Live contest, I'll go over the rules of how to play with us. On the screen, you see that there's a game board. Across the top, you have Business Central development categories. And then vertically, you have point values or boxes with point values in them. Behind each of those boxes is a question or an answer, excuse me. So whomever's turn it is, you pick the category and the point value. A question will appear, and you will have to answer that question in the form of an answer. Once the question appears, all three of you have the opportunity to buzz in to answer that question. Whomever buzzes first gets to answer the question. If you get the answer correct, you get that point value. If you get the answer incorrect, you lose those points. Also, for those that are playing along with us at home, if anybody would like to play along with us at home, you have the opportunity to see how you match up against our contestants. I'm going to place in the LinkedIn chat how you can play along with the guests here. If you go to businesscentraltrivia.live/player and enter the game code F5GE, again, I put that in the chat, you can see how you do with answering these questions as well. Do any of you have any questions? Okay.
I guess not.
All right. It's a little bit challenging sometimes under the pressure, but I think that you all will do wonderful with the contest. And after we go through a few questions, you can tell us a little bit about yourselves as well. Oh, and people are starting to join in to play along with you. One thing to say, though, is those that are playing along at home have a little less pressure. They have multiple choice answers.
Oh, we don't?
So you don't have multiple choice in this. I can turn that on if you prefer, but I think with the three of you that you can go for, the full straight up answer. We had all spoken beforehand, and Tine had won the coin toss. We had a 3-sided coin, and he gets to pick the first category and point value.
Okay, let's start nice and easy with the AL language basics for 200.
AL language basics for 200. Business Central extensions are written in this programming language. Oh, AJ is the first one to buzz. AJ.
That's the AL language.
You have to answer in the form of a question. What is the AL language?
Oh, really?
That answer is
what is the AL language? Sorry, but
that answer is correct, though. I will give that to you. The answer is correct.
What?
It is AL.
Okay, I was waiting for this, but anyway, yeah, I still don't get it.
What were you waiting for?
I'll just be clicking now as fast as I can.
Probably the multiple choice.
The buzzer will appear. There is a slight delay after the time that the question is displayed on the screen before you can answer. Okay, AJ, you had the last question correct. Therefore, you get to choose the category and the point value.
Right. Let's go for AL object types, and let's go for the 600.
AL object types for 600. A table field of this class isn't a physical field stored in the database. It holds a description of a calculation defined by its calc formula property, and because the value exists only at runtime, it is automatically initialized to 0. AJ buzzed in first. Waldo, I think you have to be a little faster. What is your answer?
Well, what is a flow field?
That answer is correct. What is a flow field? So AJ has the lead now with 600. Tine and Waldo both have 0.
As it should be.
We're waiting for our moments.
Yeah, we'll get there.
Okay,
All
so
right.
Now, AJ, you get to go again.
Oh,
I
whatever.
It won't be the last time.
Let's try event and subscribers for 400.
Event and subscribers for 400. So, and before when we were waiting to start the event, AJ was telling us how he wasn't going to get one of these answers correct. Event and subscribers for 400. If a published AL event has no subscribers when the code calls its event publisher method, what happens? AJ.
I gave the other guys a little bit of time, but they didn't click.
I think I'm pushing the wrong buttons.
You have to hit the buzz, the big buzz button.
Well, let's say that is what's nothing.
That answer is correct. The line of code is simply ignored and nothing happens. Oh, not executed, excuse me. You're all throwing me off here. So now AJ with 1,200, Tine with 0, and Waldo with 0.
I don't think you have to repeat our scores. You make us feel bad.
I won't repeat it any longer. I think anybody can see the score on the screen.
I'm just going to push buzz now.
I think I should now pick one of the thousands. Just to give you guys
one moment before we
chance.
do.
Yes.
I do think we should give him a chance, but I think I'd like to give you all an opportunity to tell us a little bit about yourself so we know who are the contestants here. AJ, since you were in the lead, tell us.
Oh, yeah, so it's my name is AJ, or Arend Jan in Dutch, but most people call me AJ. I'm living in the Netherlands, working as a CTO for Lumos 365, a partner based in London. And in this Business Central world for 25 years and a 14-year MVP. Oh, and a granddad for yeah, I need to say that right. A granddad for 3 grandchildren.
Oh, and counting. That's a great family.
And counting. We just got started. Yeah.
That's great. That's great. Tine, would you mind telling us a little bit about yourself?
Sure. My name is Tine Starich. I'm from Slovenia. I work at Companion as an architect, so still close enough to code that I should get a few answers right. A granddad of none.
Did you get started?
I need one layer in between still. And I guess that's a little bit about me.
It's great. Thank you. Mr. Waldo, sir.
Yeah, I'm Waldo from Belgium. Working at Effective Business Solutions for 25 years, 26 in Dynamics channel or Navision channel. I'm the slow one of the group. My buzzer button is slower than AJ's, but I'm working on it.
Maybe we'll have to have AJ do a little pause. Okay, we can proceed with the game now. AJ, you're the last one to answer correct, so you get to choose a category and a point value.
I go with someone that gives the other guys a chance, especially Waldo, I guess. I don't know. Let's go with analyzers, IDs, and coding rules, and for 1,000 points.
IDs, my strong point.
An AL permission extension object makes only additive changes to the permission set it extends. Which operation can it therefore not perform? Oh, Tine. I wasn't used to seeing somebody else but
what is remove?
That answer is correct. What is remove a permission that the extended permission set already grants? And
can I call out the scores now?
Just like that. Would you like me to say the score? We will just say that AJ's in first place, Tine's in second place, and Waldo is in third place. Yeah. Okay, Tine.
Let's do extensions and app source for 400.
Extensions and app source for 400. Which value must you add to the features array in the app.json so that building the project generates a translation folder containing the XLF file with your extensions, labels, and captions? Tine.
What is translations?
That answer is incorrect. Waldo.
Oh well.
What is translation file?
That answer is correct. What is translation file? You were close. You were close. But that allows Waldo to get on the board.
Oof.
Intentional.
I'm done.
Well, you're still in third place, so I think we have to get a few more questions in there, and then you can see how it goes. You get to choose the category in the question. Point value. Excuse me.
Let's do AL language basics. 800.
AL language basics for 800. The AL language replaced this older language that was used in Dynamics Nav. Boy, I get tongue-tied sometimes. Tine.
What is CAL?
That answer is correct. What is CAL?
This time I was just rapidly pressing the buzz button as fast as I could.
Who coded this app?
I don't know. It works fine for me.
It's not the app. It's not the app. It's the operator.
No. Yeah.
There's always someone who claims that the buzzer doesn't work for some reason, but everybody else seems to buzz, and you do have points. Tine.
Yeah, let's try with install, upgrade, and testing for 200.
Install, upgrade, and testing for 200. Which value of a code unit subtype property marks it as containing the AL methods that perform operations during the initial installation and the reinstallation of the extension? AJ.
What is install?
That answer is correct. What is install? AJ.
What a tie. All right.
Oh, it is a tie for first. Wow.
There's a tie. Yeah. Let's go for AL object types 800.
AL object types for 800. The extensible property applies to tables, pages, reports, and enum types. For 3 of them, the default value is true. But for 1, it defaults to false. So you must set it explicitly before another extension can extend the object. Which one? Tine.
What is an enum?
That answer is correct. What is the enum type?
Nice.
Look at that. Ooh, 2,200. Would you like me to say the score now, Tine, because you're in first place?
Yeah, go ahead. I don't have a problem with that anymore.
Which category in point value?
Let's go with analyzers, IDs, and coding rules for 200.
Analyzers, IDs, and coding rules for 200. This code analyzer in the AL language extension enforces the official AL coding guidelines. AJ.
Is code cop.
So
what is code cop?
The answer is correct. What is code cop?
My button is not working. It simply isn't. I mean,
we'll give you a moment to reconnect. Or maybe the other two can pause and give you the next question to answer. AJ.
No promises.
Are you trying to reconnect, Waldo, or?
No, just continue.
All right, okay. Let's give you a chance then. Let's go for events and subscribers 600.
Events and subscribers for 600. When several event subscriber methods respond to the same raised AL event, in what order do they run? Tine.
What is the app ID?
That answer is incorrect according to Microsoft Learn. I know that you did an article on this, and the article was very well put together. but according to Learn, which is the source for these questions, Waldo, your buzzer worked.
Yeah, only when I can. But anyway, yeah, whatever. The name?
That answer.
What is the name?
No, that answer is incorrect. No. AJ.
So what is unpredictable?
That answer is correct. One at a time in no particular specific order.
Sorry, guys. I gave you the chance. Really.
I think if you were the first, you would get it wrong as well.
No.
We took out the wrong answers.
Well, this works. You guys gave me. This is kind of a multiple choice, right?
Yeah, it is kind of a multiple choice that went through that way. And now, AJ, you're in first place. Tina, you're in second place.
Yeah.
Waldo, you have minus 200. AJ.
Oops. All right. So let's go for install and upgrade and testing for 400 points.
Install and upgrade and testing for 400 points. One test method in a test code unit raises an error. What happens to the remaining test methods in that code unit? Waldo,
you're
buzzer.
You're not. Well, anyway.
I'm not what?
No.
One test method in a test code unit raises an error. What happens to the remaining test methods in that code unit?
Actually, no. What is nothing? No. Ah, fuck. That's wrong.
Well, I'll give you a chance here. Can you explain that a little bit more?
No. That's wrong.
Well, no, because I think that answer is valid. They still run, only the failing method is terminated.
That's not the one I meant, so it's not valid, so it's wrong.
Oh, it's not what you meant?
No.
Oh, okay. Well, we can deduct 400 points from your score. And put you back to minus 200. That was very nice. That
guys, don't let me push. I mean, be as fast as possible.
We did remove the points here. That's why I wanted you to clarify a little bit, because I could have understood that a couple ways, and I wanted to give you the benefit of that. But you answered correct. You were the one that answered the last question correct, so you get to choose the category again.
Analyzer and IDs and coding rules 800.
Analyzer IDs and coding rules for 800. Where in an AL file does a using directive belong? Where in the AL file does a using directive belong? AJ.
So what is below namespace?
That answer is correct. What is after the namespace declaration and before any object declaration?
I would answer this wrong. I thought it was asking about the app.json.
Oh, it was an AL object.
Yeah, no, I was super confused. It's good that it was your question.
There you go with the pressure, Tina. Come on, keep it.
Yeah.
Well, as I had mentioned, it's a little more challenging when you're in the hot seat to answer some of these questions that at any other point you could talk about freely and know the answer. AJ.
I think we go with the AL language basics for 600.
AL language basics for 600. AL stands for this.
I'm sorry.
Buzz. Tine.
What is application language?
That answer is correct. What is application language?
I think the mouse helps here.
I think so too. My phone is not helping.
You don't think the phone is better? You think the mouse is better?
Well, I'm not changing, so just continue.
Okay. Tine.
Yeah. Let's go extensions and app source for 600.
Extensions and app source for 600. Extension B adds 2 values to an extensible enum that extension A declares. In what order does a user see the values in the UI? Waldo.
Oh, good.
Wait a minute. I have no idea, actually. I just wanted to buzz.
Well,
I
what is
clicked
an
and then I was
ID?
like, actually, I don't know.
What is ID? Well, the value of the enum ID, obviously. What? Come on.
I would say that that's correct.
If it's wrong, it's wrong.
No, it could be the way the question is. It's the declaration order with extension A's values instead of extension B, which would be an ID
wrong again?
order. No, it's okay. That's a little. I'm going to note that question. That's a little.
But are you sure
confusing.
this is correct?
Say again?
Are you sure that is correct? Because if you have multiple extensions that have mixing IDs, then you can.
But it doesn't matter. Even with the same app, it's the positioning, not the IDs.
Multiple apps cannot mix the IDs because they need to they need to choose the IDs from their own app range, their own object range.
That's what I meant. We're gonna question.
You're going
the
to
answers.
argue. That was your first question. Everyone will want to argue on these answers.
Then the question was correct, right? It doesn't really matter. It's not the ID. So my answer was incorrect.
It's the declaration order, but declaration order by ID would be. I do want to try a PTE with shared ranges and put them in order and see. That would be something I want to try.
I was pretty sure it was
Waldo.
ID order, so it's wrong. I need to buzz fast, read slow, and go high. So install, upgrade, and testing 1000.
Install, testing, and upgrade for 1000. In upgrade code units triggers in per company and per database pairs. How does a per database trigger run? AJ.
So what is once in an install?
That answer is correct. Once in the entire upgrade process. Did you study these questions? Say again?
No.
I'll have to rewind it to see.
Install, and it's an upgrade process, so I was a little bit distracted.
Oh.
Okay, let's give Waldo another chance. Let's go with AL object types for 1000 points.
AL object types for 1000. In a control add-in object, which property names the single special script that the web client calls once the hosting page has loaded?
Oh, goodness.
In a control add-in object, which property names the single special script that the web client calls once the hosting page has loaded?
That's a long time ago.
Go Waldo, buzz.
Waldo.
Fuck it. Oh, sorry. What's on control add-in started?
That answer is incorrect. It is startup script.
Oh yeah.
You were close, and I didn't want to have some leniency here on the answer. But AJ.
Waldo answered, right? So, and I didn't answer.
He was incorrect. You were the last one to answer the question correct. So.
All right, then let's go with events and subscribers for 800.
Events and subscribers for 800. This type of AL event defines a formal contract that carries an implicit promise not to change in future releases, unlike its more flexible integration event counterpart. Tine.
What is a business event?
That answer is correct.
Correct.
What is a business event? Okay, Tine, you're up.
Let's do extensions and app source for 1000.
Extensions and app source for 1000. App A depends on app B, and app B depends on app C. By default, A can't use types defined in C. Which app.json setting and on which app changes that? Tine.
What is propagate dependencies on app B?
That answer is correct. Propagate dependencies set to true an app bees bees app JSON file? Speaking of trivia, we also have businesscentraltrivia.com, which is a week-long trivia contest where each day you can answer questions and see where you fit on the leaderboard against others players that are playing and see where you stand overall for the course of a week. So if anybody would like to have some additional Business Central trivia, you can go to businesscentraltrivia.com and play along with many other members of the Business Central community. Now, wouldn't this also be fun at an event or a session to have people in front of a group answering questions while the participants get to answer?
I think in Europe it needs a pre-session to explain what Jeopardy is.
This is a trivia game. This is not that other game.
But
yes, a pre-session may be helpful. I could do a video prior to it. Tine. Yes.
AL object types for 200.
AL object types for 200. This type of AL object defines the user interface, such as lists, cards, and documents that users interact with in the web client. AJ.
What is a page object?
That answer is correct. What is a page object? AJ.
Let's go with, whatever. Let's go with AL language basics for 1,000.
AL language basics for 1,000. A command line tool used for compiling and packaging AL extensions for Business Central. Waldo.
Ooh.
Now we
I'm
reach
always
the
surprised
question.
when Waldo gets in.
Now we reach the question.
Yeah, now I read the question. I do.
I know what he's going to say, and I'm going to have to tell him it's wrong, and then.
Yeah, I could say what is a PowerShell. I could say what is AL tool. Now I gave 2 answers. What is AL tool?
That answer is correct. What is AL tool?
Come on, you saved your face, man.
No, I didn't. I mean, I have to open my phone every 20 seconds. Anyone who plays this, don't use the phone.
And I thought the phone was easier. Okay, that's good to know.
No, it's.
Well, maybe your phone screensaver is going on. Okay, do not use the phone. I'll have to keep that in mind. Waldo.
Events and subscribers 1,000.
Events and subscribers for 1,000. Setting the isolated argument to true on a Business Central event, integration event, or internal event attribute makes it an isolated event. What does that change? Waldo.
What means that it always runs in an isolated, let's say, transaction, so it always succeeds and doesn't fail the upcoming code that starts and actually also commits after the procedure is done.
That's a long question.
That's a long question, but it is correct. Each subscriber runs in its own transaction, so a failing subscriber's table changes, roll back, and the next subscriber still runs. So that was correct. Look at that, just like that, Waldo's catching up. Waldo.
Extensions, wait a minute, I need to open my phone again. An extension and app source 800.
Extension in the app source for 800. We'll give you a moment to open your phone each question. The target setting in app.json defaults to cloud. What does an on-premises project gain by setting it to on-prem instead? Waldo.
Let me read the question first.
Beep.
No, he does have 10 more seconds, so.
I don't know how to put it in a question. What is access to on-prem code in dependent extensions?
Can you give us an example of that?
An example?
I'm gonna
if the default Business Central app has methods tagged as on-prem, then you can access and use them in your code as well. Then you can basically use them, call them.
Yes. Yes. I have to expand this answer on this because
It was not what you meant.
Yes, it was not. We'll put that on to you, but it's the access to the otherwise restricted APIs and .NET interrupts. But the restricted methods is also an answer. I gave it to you. Say again?
That's a consequence of it.
Yes, that's what I mean. So that answer is correct.
On-prem tagged code, and the .NET code is on-prem tagged.
Wait, so we reset him now to 0?
It
wasn't
shouldn't
such a
reset
wrong
him
answer.
when he got disconnected. Well, he reconnected. It should keep your score unless you switch to a different session. He was on the board. He just had 800. I'll have to.
You see, phone. I don't.
This game is rigged against you, Waldo.
We'll see. We'll see. What the score is there. I was trying to do a quick rewind to see if I could see what the score was, but unfortunately, I don't remember. I think he had 400.
1400.
He had 1400.
I think I had 6,400.
There we go. He got his 800 plus the 1400. Waldo.
Oh, phone is open. Okay. Install, upgrade, and testing 800.
Install, upgrade, and testing for 800. A test code unit can hold 3 kinds of methods: test, normal, and handler. What is a handler method there to do? Tine.
What is handle pages, confirmations, or HTTP calls? Interactive sessions, I suppose, in a test.
That answer is correct. Run in place of the user interface when the code being tested asks for user interaction. Your answer covered that. Tine.
Let's do.
Getting down to the why here. Only 7 questions left.
We're getting.
Then we have the final question.
Events and subscribers for 200.
Events and subscribers for 200. The AL method attribute. This AL method attribute decorates a method so it listens for and handles a specific published event. Waldo.
I need to read first. I just make sure that I both.
Man, you're slow reading.
5 seconds, man.
I'm not even reading it.
Time's up. That answer is incorrect. Tine.
What is an event publisher?
What is the attribute?
Now I'm lost. I give up.
Incorrect. AJ.
What is an event subscriber?
That answer is correct. Event subscriber.
Come on, guys.
Oh.
Keep it up.
I saw his face when you sent event publisher, and I knew. AJ.
Let's go for AL object types 400.
AL object types 400. To add a field to a standard base application table without changing the original object, you create this. Tine.
What is a table extension?
Yeah.
That answer is correct. What is a table extension? Tine.
Extensions and app source for 200.
Extensions and app source for 200. Finish out that category. When you compile an AL project, it produces this package file that you publish to an environment. AJ.
So what is an app file?
That answer is correct. What is an app file? AJ.
Let's do let's go for install, upgrade, and testing for 600.
Install, upgrade, and testing for 600. Decorating an AL method with the try function attribute implicitly gives the method a return value of this type, and as a result, the method can't declare a user-defined return value. Tine.
What is correct? Is this a question even?
Got it.
What is
I
correct?
got it.
Decorating an
Oh, what is a boolean? I guess.
Yeah, that was the correct
That
one.
answer is correct.
Oh,
What is a
okay.
boolean?
That was a
What is
nasty.
correct?
I didn't
wasn't
know
even
what this
sure
is
if it-
asking of me.
I wasn't even sure what the question was here.
Gives the method a return value of this type is the question.
Oh,
This is yes. So what is the boolean? Okay, Tine.
You got away with that.
AL language basics for 400.
AL language basics for 400. AL development is most commonly done in this free Microsoft Code editor. AJ.
So what is VS Code?
That answer is correct. What is Visual Studio Code? We have to have the editor on there because I think most people would say Claude, GitHub Copilot, or something else and argue with me on the answer. AJ.
Let's go for analyzers, IDs, and coding rule 600.
Analyzes IDs and coding rules for 600. You want to warn other developers that a table in your extension is pending removal in a future version while keeping the code in place so you don't, You want to warn other developers that a table in your extension is pending removal in a future version while keeping this code in place so you don't break the dependencies. Which obsolete state value do you set on the table? Tine.
What is pending?
That answer is correct. What is pending? Final question of the board. Then we have one more final trivia question. I'll explain the rules in the final trivia question. Analyzes IDs and coding rules. You don't have to choose. It's the only choice we have. Per tenant extensions must place their custom AL objects and table field IDs within this numeric range. AJ.
So what is 50,000 to 99,999?
That answer is correct. 50,000 to 99,999. We now will go into the final trivia question. At this point, you all can place up to the number of points that you have on this question. Then you will be able to answer the question. If you get that question correct, you get those points. If you get the answer incorrect, you lose those points. One thing I want to note about this question, as we're waiting for AJ to enter his wager, it may or may not be. AJ, are you going to enter your wager?
Yes.
There you go, a development question. And the question is multiple choice.
Oof, good.
The question is, open the user's list in a customer's environment and delegated administrator from the reselling partner turns up looking like this. Open the user's list in a customer's environment and a delegated administrator from the reselling partner turns up looking like this.
Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Sorry, twice.
Tine? Time is up. The answer is as a pseudonym such as user ... Tine wagered 6,200 and got that incorrect.
Oh, no.
Waldo wagered 2,000 and got that correct. AJ wagered 1,200 and got that correct. Our final trivia standings: AJ 6,600, Waldo 4,000,
all or nothing, Tina.
Tine 0.
All or nothing.
Oh, well.
I put it on black, it was red.
But, thank you all for playing and joining me for this Business Central Trivia Live Developer Edition. I appreciate it. I enjoyed it. And thank you for sharing your knowledge. Thank you everyone else who was watching and playing along with us. See you soon for the next Business Central Trivia Live. Thank you, guys.
It was fun, guys. Really. Thank you. Thank you.